Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. A minus B multiplied by A plus B equals to A squared minus B squared. So this one that is about A, this one that is about B. To create about A squared minus B squared, we need to multiply by A plus B on numerator and denominator. Because I want to cancel about the square root, that's why we need to have the power 2 in here. Now we can do similar for the second one in here. So for this one in here, we will have about 6 minus s minus 2 to the power of 2. Because we have the power 2 for this one, that's why we have 6 minus s. About this one, we have 3 minus s minus 1 to the power of 2. So 6 minus 4, we have number 2. 3 minus 1 square, we have number 2. Next, we simplify 2 minus s on numerator and denominator. And now I will put number 2 going here and here. So we have the final answer. And this one we calculate. That is about 1/2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.